Very popular cake. That was Little Nemo. Next item is going to be Monkey Business. This is a Red Rhino label. Monkey Business. Case pack 12. That was Monkey Business, 10 shot, 200 gram. Next item is going to be 12-1, 18 shot, Nude Beach. Okay, it's a turtle on the label without its shell. Nice comments. Okay, the next item is going to be our baby reveal. This cake comes 4 of each of the pink and blue cakes, but they have the same labeling, but there's a removable pull tab on the cake, so we don't have to risk losing any of the warnings by trying to strip the labels off for the customer, so that he will be surprised. But these are the baby reveal. These are about 300 gram cakes. There's the baby reveal for the boy. Nice blues. All right, now we're going to move into the 500 gram cakes. These are a new line we came out with this year. This is a 9 shot, very low cost firearm series. This is rifle. Okay, the next one in the firearm series we'll shoot tonight is the shotgun. 419 shot. These are great low-cost cakes. Usually for around 50 cents a piece. Wholesale. Okay, now we're moving into the road show. This is number 10. Has a nice metallic 3D label on it. Next item is Sky Shooter. This is a 15 shot, 6-1 Sky Shooter. That was Sky Shooter. Next item is a long running cake, 50 shot Pyro World. Case pack 4-1. That was Pyro World. I need a lot of burn time on that. Next item is going to be Patriot Arms, 25 shot 4-1 Patriot Arms. That was Patriot Arms. Next item is going to be a 4-1 12 shot. This is Pyro Gal. That's for my wife, my Pyro Gal. Her favorite effect is crackle. Type is Case Pack 4-1 Cherry Drop. This is Red Rhino Red, long time tradition here at Red Rhino. That was Cherry Drop. Next item is 2-1 145 shot Fire Over Water. Beautiful bright colors. There we go, Fire Over Water. Next item is 30 shot 4-1 Ravaged. Great finale style cake there. Okay, now we're going to move on to roping. Case Pack 4-1 9 shot roping. All right, that was roping. Long-time classic, long-time favorite. Okay, next item is 3-inch 2-1 atomizer 9 shot. Another long-standing Red Rhino item. That was atomizer. Now we're at 12 shells of Apocalypse. We're going to shoot 6 solid color ones and 6 multicolor ones. This is a 60-gram neon effect canister shell kit. now we're going to shoot 6 of the multicolored shells that are in the 24-shot kit. Apocalypse. We wanted you to see the individual colors alone. Now you see them mixed. Thank you very much from Red Rhino. Thank you for coming to the NFA Expo, and we'll be around. Stop by our booth, talk to myself or my folks, and have a great night, everybody. Thank you, Andover.